Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.6 liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a recovery hook, tow hitch receiver, full-size spare tire. We got some nice blacked out vehicles, your gas caps there, gripped running board on either side, heated door mirrors. You do get a remote start on this vehicle, which is pretty handy during the cold winter months. Black hood deflector, recovery hooks, and that classic Jeep grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space with a cloth cargo area. You can lift it up. You do get more storage underneath as well, which is always pretty handy. We do get your hooks and doodads, all that jazz. You got a 12 volt and the ability to collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. You got floor mats, carpet interior, you got a cargo net, got a nice little grab handle right here, your speaker system, you got lights. We do get windows, cup holders, and plenty of room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. But we got the upgraded Sahara logo on the front seats. We got a cargo net and an aftermarket little holder here, powered locks, all that jazz. We got an Alpine sound system, your vents, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 156,207 kilometers. Got this nice leather app steering wheel, cruise control, voice phone, menu, compass or navigation, toggle free screen, modes and volumes behind the steering wheel, and to my right, you get gear select, four-wheel drive, parking brake, cup holders with storage above. Let me see if I can get it going. And storage below. Little cargo net there. You got a grab handle, storage below, and on the dash with a nice white hardtop. We do get our infotainment system here with voice, phone, radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, media controls because you do get the Bluetooth capabilities. Your windows, locks, all here. Climate controls just down here with 12 volt, your windows, heated front seats, traction, hill, hazards, outlets, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8303A, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.